Hello and welcome to another episode by CDBTC. Today is May 7th, and the big news today is that Binance got hacked. Uh, Today, 7,000 Bitcoin, which amounts to approximately $40 million, was taken from Binance in a single transaction. It all started when ZZ tweeted that the exchange was going to go into maintenance mode and that everything was okay. But a while later, they had this announcement. They had to announce that a security breach had taken place. 7,000 Bitcoin were taken. This is the transaction. Imagine, I believe that Binance was one of the safest exchanges and it got hacked today. Whether it was an inside job or not, we don't know. But the main important issue is that it was hacked. One of the exchanges that's considered safest in the world busted. Uh, I had crypto in there, or thankfully, I withdrew it. I started withdrawing from April 26th. I had a few transactions. I took everything out of the exchange, and I definitely think that uh, decentralized exchanges are going to be the future, because if you do not control the keys, you do not control the crypto. And that is why I like EFIN. As you know, I've talked about EFIN in past videos, and it's funny. I'm going to show you the video I made on April 28th, which is around the time when I started to withdraw my funds from Binance. Look, this is what I said. It's decentralized. People losing their phone. Okay, so that's what I said. And imagine Binance got hacked. It could have been your coins. Fortunately, this time CZ will pay. He had a fund. But imagine if that didn't happen. You could have lost a lot of money if you have coins on the exchange. And that is why, as I said, I like EFIN. That's why I think that EFIN is an interesting investment opportunity. You can stake the coins and earn interest. You can trade the coins. You can hodl the coins for appreciation into the future. Right now, EFIN coins, I think that they're going for about $300 or $350 per 100,000 coins. Uh, I currently have 310,000 coins, which approximately are worth $1,463. I spent or invested about $500. So if everything goes fine, smoothly when the decentralized exchange launches, I would have 3x'd my investment, and I think it's gonna go higher. Uh, Based on the market cap, I think the EFIN can do a 5 and 10x, especially now that Bitcoin is starting to show bullish momentum. So the next couple of months are going to be very interesting. Uh, I'm going to be staking my EFIN and hopefully multiply it so that when the future bull run comes, I'm going to be in a nice position to sell some and take gains and uh, continue to stake and receive passive income. So remember, not your keys, not your coins, okay? Even the best exchanges get hacked. Incredible. incredible. Look at all these hacks. Binance already had one in the past, and now they went for another $40 million. So guys, I invite you to take a look at EFIN, okay? It's going to be very interesting and a very promising exchange for the future. Well guys, everybody have a good night.
EFIN is a secure, Tor network-driven, anonymous and unhackable decentralized trading platform where users always maintain sole custody of their respective crypto assets. The platform is fully integrated with the EFIN blockchain coin that employs a proprietary second-layer protocol called infinitesimal to deliver lightning-fast transactions at near zero fees. Plagued by hacks and thefts owing to the dangerous combination of inexperience, incompetence, and absence of regulation, the unlicensed, centralized exchange cartel has completely failed in its primary job of protecting user assets. This has left users with little to no recourse when hacks have occurred and assets have been lost. Because the exchanges hold the private keys, they are entirely in control of all user assets. Shockingly, even when functioning perfectly, users are still effectively held hostage as different levels of permission is normally required to transfer coins out of the centralized exchange. This is a very dire situation for ordinary people who simply want to trade in digital assets. However, there is a solution. EFIN is a completely different beast and operates entirely differently than centralized exchanges. It is a crypto assets trading platform where there is no need to apply to withdraw coins because custody is decentralized and user-controlled. What this means is that users are able to securely store coins in actual native wallets and hold their own private keys. There is zero possibility of theft by an unscrupulous exchange owner or hacker. Privacy is a right, not a privilege. So platform registration and trading can be done completely anonymously using the integrated Tor network encryption. The EFIN coin is built on its own blockchain developed by BlockSize. This rapidly growing blockchain company is a TokenPay subsidiary based in Hong Kong. The EFIN coin codebase incorporates the very latest security, privacy, and speed mechanization available, such as ring confidential transactions and the infinitesimal protocol. This protocol, also developed by BlockSize, leverages a network of off-chain bidirectional payment channels to eliminate expensive mining fees and lengthy confirmation times. It combines RSK smart contracts running on a sidechain to bring Turing-complete smart contracts to proof-of-stake Bitcoin-based blockchains. To learn more about this new and innovative blockchain protocol, visit infinitesimal.com and download the white paper. Up until now, the critical problem with existing decentralized trading platforms is the low volume and liquidity. The centralized exchanges have been attractive to users because of Wall Street-style seamless trading. But crypto assets are not like traditional investment products, like securities and bonds. Securities are hacker-proof by virtue of being held on a stock ledger. Trading in securities is not irreversible, but transactions on the blockchain most certainly are. This represents a core fundamental difference that has been overlooked by users. Copying the functionality of historic stock trading platforms is not logical. This must change now. So how does a decentralized trading platform achieve the volume necessary to compete in a meaningful way with the centralized exchanges? In order to promote trading volume, EFIN users have been incentivized to provide liquidity. Unlike the centralized exchanges that use trading bots to boost volume, EFIN has a viable and sustainable method to generate trading volume. EFIN coins are obtained through a unique distribution algorithm that rewards trading and staking on a continual basis. This is explained in detail in the EFIN white paper, which can be downloaded at efin.com. Not your keys, not your coins. Just say no to the centralized exchange cartel and take back control of your crypto assets by using EFIN.